Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use the school mapping app. Once you've downloaded the app, simply tap its icon on your device's home screen to open it. The app immediately presents a detailed interactive map of our school campus. You can easily navigate by pinching your screen to zoom in or out, or by swiping your finger to pan across different areas. Familiarize yourself with the layout for a moment, noticing key buildings and pathways. To find a specific classroom, office, or amenity, simply use the search bar prominently displayed at the top of your screen. Begin typing the room number, building name, or even a department like the library or main office. A list of relevant suggestions will appear as you type. Tap on the correct location from the suggestions, and the app will instantly highlight its position on the map, often with a small pin or marker. Once you've found your destination, getting directions is straightforward. First, tap on your current position on the map or select another starting point if you're planning ahead. Then, tap the Get Directions button that appears. Next, choose your desired endpoint by either tapping directly on the map or using the search bar again. The app will quickly calculate and display the best walking route, along with an estimated time to reach your destination, helping you arrive promptly. Make the most of the app by using its useful features. You can save frequently visited spots, like your homeroom or the cafeteria, as favorites for quick one-tap access later. Additionally, explore the accessibility settings. This feature can guide you to routes with elevators or ramps, ensuring easy navigation for everyone. Always check for real-time updates within the app, which might include temporary campus closures or special event locations, keeping you informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.